Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for gorgeous garden decor and craft inspirations. Today, we are diving into a beach-inspired project that will bring the soothing sounds of the ocean right to your backyard. We have gathered 12 incredibly easy and fun DIY wind chime ideas featuring beautiful seashells and delicate corals. Before we begin, make sure to comment your favorite idea below, like this video, share it with your fellow garden lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas. Start your coastal crafting journey by using a sturdy piece of weathered driftwood as the main hanger. Carefully drill tiny holes into colorful scallop shells and suspend them at varying lengths with durable fishing line. As the breeze sweeps through, the light shells will dance and tap against each other to create a gentle, airy melody. It is an effortless way to introduce a rustic, beachcomber aesthetic to your outdoor living space. Combine the raw texture of white coral pieces with the smooth, frosted look of colorful sea glass. Thread these treasures alternately onto nylon cords to create a visually striking contrast of textures. Hanging this piece in a sunny spot allows the light to filter beautifully through the sea glass. The heavy coral fragments produce a deeper, resonant clinking sound that grounds the light chime. For a dramatic focal point, string a sequence of medium-sized conch shells in a downward spiral. Secure each conch shell with strong knots using natural jute twine to enhance the organic vibe. The hollow chambers of the conch shells capture the wind, producing a unique and hollow acoustic tone. This striking vertical design works wonders when hung near an entry porch or a garden arbor. Add a vibrant pop of color to your garden by painting simple clam shells in bright tropical hues. You can let your kids join the fun by painting whimsical patterns or solid rainbow gradients on each shell. Once dried, string them close together on a circular wooden hoop so they clatter softly in the wind. This cheerful creation is guaranteed to brighten up even the gloomiest corners of your garden wall. Elevate simple coral branches by pairing them with shiny metallic and glass accent beads. Wrap thin jewelry wire around the top of each coral piece, adding colorful beads along the wire length. When suspended, the beads catch the sunlight while the coral branches chime in a soft, earthy rhythm. It is a sophisticated design that lends an elegant, bohemian touch to your outdoor sanctuary. Construct a simple square lattice base using dried bamboo skewers or small bamboo poles. Hang flat oyster shells in neat rows from the lattice to create a beautiful, layered screen effect. The flat surface of the oyster shells creates a soothing, paper-like rustling sound when the wind blows. This natural barrier serves as both a musical instrument and a gorgeous visual divider for your patio. Combine thick marine-grade rope with delicate dried starfish and coral tips for a distinct nautical theme. Fray the bottom edges of the rope to add texture and tie the ocean treasures securely to individual strands. The combination of soft cotton fibers and hard shells gives this chime a relaxed coastal cottage feel. Hang this piece where it can catch a strong breeze to see the starfish gently sway. Reuse an old metal mason jar ring as the circular frame for this brilliant eco-friendly craft. Tie strings of mixed tiny seashells and mini coral fingers around the ring at close, regular intervals. The metal ring adds a subtle metallic ping to the natural clicking sounds of the dangling shells. This budget-friendly project is a fantastic way to clean out your leftover beachcombing stash. Create a multi-tiered chandelier-style chime using concentric wirecraft rings of different sizes. Densely pack the rings with translucent capiz shells and small coral beads that capture the daylight. This design mimics the luxury of high-end coastal boutiques while remaining incredibly simple to assemble. Watch it turn your garden into a shimmering display of light and delicate chiming melodies. Use a small inverted terracotta pot as the sturdy cap and anchor for your heavy wind chime. Thread thick cord through the drainage hole. Thread thick cord through the drainage hole, hanging large chunks of coral and heavy shells underneath. The clay pot acts as a natural soundboard, amplifying the rich clacking of the coral. It blends seamlessly with existing garden planters, while offering a unique rustic charm to your fence. Arrange multiple small pieces of driftwood horizontally in a tiered balancing mobile design. Hang pairs of clam and snail shells from the ends of each branch to maintain perfect equilibrium. The shifting winds will cause the entire mobile to rotate lazily, creating an unpredictable, playful melody. It is a mesmerizing piece of moving art that instantly draws the eye to your garden. Give old silver spoons a second life by mixing them with ocean treasures like colorful shells and branch corals. Flatten the spoon bowls with a hammer and drill small holes in the handles to string them up. The crisp, clear ring of antique silver combined with the soft clack of coral produces a magical symphony. If you enjoyed these beautiful coastal ideas, please comment, like, share, subscribe to Garden Art Corner, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!